Beautiful!
Oh my God, Jess! You decided to come. We're gonna have so much fun.
Tamp down the exuberance. This outing is merely a cover for my ongoing murder investigation.
A Wednesday slaycation. Scram, psycho, before my claws slip.
Don't get your fur balls in a snarl. I managed to triangulate the exact coordinates of the cabin. It's the first 30-minute hike from our camp. I took the liberty of plotting multiple routes.
She tried to kill me, remember?
Yes, but she failed, which proves she's only an amateur.
Ouch. I deserve that.